Why is Matiangi running on a Jubilee ticket? So many young people were killed during that time also. Every presidential candidate has had his own party. Angechukua hata chama yote inaitwa hata kifagio. Hiyo watu wangeingia bado. William Ruto has divided Mount Kenya successfully. The first ever politician to divide Mount Kenya successfully. He created Rigathi. He destroyed him. He has created Kindiki. You don't know what he will do to him. Okay, why is Matiangi running on a Jubilee ticket? And
in fact,
you know,
I was even coming there. Was before even you go, why is running for that ticket? Do you think it was a good choice?
Why Jubilee?
He has been a member. Jubilee
ndio ilichukua madeni mingi. So sisi tukiona Jubilee tunaona madeni bwana. You rebrand ukuja kama Matiangi with a different party. Party yenye haina matope.
Is it too late for him? Is it too late for him?
No, it's not. It's not.
He can decide to start.
Sasa unajua akiendelea na Jubilee, tunaona anataka kuendelea na zile vitu Jubilee ilikuwa inafanya. So many young people were killed during that time also.
As well.
Yeah. So many bodies zilikuwa zinapatikana all over. Watu waliuliwa wengi sana.
So it's a bad choice.
Very bad choice.
Now what should he do right now?
Matiangi? No, he should sit down and reconsider. I will not advise him on what to do.
But he can reconsider on that. No, if he comes and asks you, Mando, tell me now, what do we do?
What he should do. You know, there's something, this, anaitwaje huyu wa Nairobi huyu Mosiria. By the way, he was my schoolmate at Kadinotunga and University of Nairobi. He was even my junior at Kadinotunga. Yes, one class behind me. Kuna kitu alisema, yenye watu wengi waliona hakusema vizuri. Unaona? Every presidential candidate has had his own party.
Where is in charge?
Mali yako in charge. Anaenda nayo kwa debe. Si ndio? Tukianza hata na kina Jaramogi, hata kina Kenyatta mzee. Si ndio? Tukianza na kina Kadu Kanu, tukuje Jaramogi akiwa na Ford Kenya, kina Matiba akiwa na Ford Asili. Raila mwenyewe akakuja akakuwa na LDP, akakuwa na NDP kwanza, akakuwa na LDP. Si ndio?
Yeah, Raila has been having parties
now. Anaenda nayo kwa ballot. Si ndio? Mwai Kibaki akakuja akakuwa na PNU.
At first akaanza na
alianza na kile Rainbow Coalition. Ndiye akakuja akachukua yake PNU. Unaona? Uhuru Kenyatta akakuja akakuwa na TNA. Akakuwa na president. Wakakuja hapo mbele wakaungana na Ruto ikakuwa Jubilee.
Akaunda Jubilee.
Si ndio? Ruto akatoka Jubilee akaunda UDA, akakuwa rais na chama yake. Sasa nikuulize, Matiangi is a deputy party leader wa Jubilee. What if, because Kenya is a tribal country.
It's a tribal country. And you know,
if we want to change these things, we have to speak about them.
Kabisa.
Kenya is a tribal country. Si ndio? That is why unaona Wakisii wanaanguka nyuma Matiangi. Si ndio?
Yes.
Hata wale hawajui nini anataka kufanya. So, what was I saying? It's a tribal country.
Yes.
What if they give him Jubilee? Ameenda ndio sasa imekuwa attractive kwa mlima tena. Wabunge wengi wametoka kwa mlima wa Jubilee. Si ndio? Na Matiangi ni deputy party leader, not even the party leader. Si ndio? Alafu Gusii na Nyamira, we only have 13 constituencies. Si ndio? Tuseme Jubilee bado imebeba tena za Gusii na Nyamira. We only have 13. So Matiangi goes there with the 13 loyal members of parliament from his region. Si ndio? Na Mount Kenya unajua tena wako na constituency mingi
sana.
I'm saying this for example.
Yes.
Wakuje wabunge kama 50 wa Jubilee kutoka ile side.
They are in charge of Jubilee.
Do you think Matiangi ndiye atakuwa in charge?
Of course. But now, this is my thinking. Even if he started his own party, still he will have these 13 members of parliament.
That's okay.
He will need others from other regions.
That is okay. Angekuwa na hawa 13, hiyo chama yake Matiangi angekuwa wave mwenyewe because himself alikuwa wave hata before apewe Jubilee.
Alikuwa wave.
Matiangi mwenyewe ni wave. Jina
in fact,
yake.
If it has gone down slightly it's because of Jubilee.
Yes. Yeye mwenyewe ni wave. So angechukua hata chama yote inaitwa hata kifagio. Hiyo watu wangeingia bado.
Watu wangeingia
na wangemsupport
because it's him people want.
Yes. So hii chama ingine ya Jubilee Wakikuyu wakikuja huko waseme sasa hii chama sisi ndio wengi. So ma ministers tunachukua 10.
I was thinking on why you could have probably decided to join Jubilee. I noticed issues of finance,
of course,
issues of structure.
Yes.
Now, don't you think there are tangible things you should consider?
You see, like if he went there because of finances, then it means the people who are giving him those finances are the ones who are going to be in charge. So hata mkimwona yeye kama Matiangi ataenda kufanya kazi, watu wengine wenye wamempa hiyo pesa si watataka hiyo pesa yao kwanza.
So atafute party if they want to support him, support
support kwa hiyo chama. That's what we are saying.
If today Matiangi forms a party, utaingia
mimi nilikwambia kwanza tukianza akuje kwanza na manifesto.
Okay.
Sio chama peke yake.
Sio chama peke yake.
Sisi tumefuata bwana ODM. Tulikuwa tunafuata ODM. Ndio tulikuja kugundua hapa mbele ni uongo.
Ulitoka lini ODM?
ODM nilitoka after 2017. Actually I voted the first time in 2007.
2007?
Yes. I was in first year.
My first time to vote was in 2017.
2017. I voted in 2007 for Raila Odinga, ODM. I voted for Raila Odinga in 2013, ODM. I voted for him in 2017.
ODM.
When he joined Jubilee, when he joined Uhuru Kenyatta through the handshake, hapo ndio nilijua hii ni uongo, hii ni kipindi, nikaingia UDA.
Alikuwa akiwapima.
Na nikaona pia ana agenda. So mimi nikaingia UDA.
Assuming that the opposition, it's an outfit going to face William Ruto. First of all, do you think Matiangi stands a chance of being a flag bearer?
No, it will depend. First of all, they say the united opposition.
Yes.
Have you seen Matiangi with Gusii wakiwa pamoja of late?
They are not, of course. And it's clear they are probably okay. I was checking some arguments. Some are saying it's a strategy. Others are saying they are divided.
Bro, there is no strategy there. I can tell you, the opposition is divided.
It's divided.
Yes. And it's divided because of DCP and the Jubilee.
Okay.
Yes. Matiangi has been given Jubilee. Rigathi Gachagua has DCP on the other side. Yeah. So Rigathi Gachagua feels like hii Jubilee itakuja kuniingilia Mount Kenya.
Sure.
Itachukua wabunge kiasi.
And it's wrangle him there.
Yes. And Rigiji is not even fighting for anyone. He's fighting for DCP.
Sure.
A vehicle that he can bargain with. Anaweza kuja hata bargain na William Ruto.
Yes.
DCP kipata wabunge hata 30 unafikiria huyo ni mtu mchezo?
Huyo ni hatari.
Si ataitwa kwa meza. So he's fighting for DCP. Na ameona hii Jubilee pia inakuja kuingilia DCP Mount Kenya.
So that's the reason as to why they are parting ways.
And they cannot be together.
They cannot be together.
How?
Now, what's next for them? What do you expect from what you are seeing so far? What should be the end result?
The end result is two-term if they are divided. They cannot beat William Ruto if they are divided.
If Matiangi goes to the ballot, Kalonzo with Rigiji,
yes,
and his team,
yes,
will you have 50+1?
Maybe hapo ndio kutakuwa tricky kidogo.
Hakutakuwa na 50+1.
Hii hapo ndio kuna challenge kidogo. But wakienda sasa hiyo, do we call it a runoff?
Yeah, runoff.
Wakienda runoff sasa si simple majority.
No, runoff, after now. After the first round.
After the
simple
first round.
Majority.
Simple majority.
Yes. And simple majority, if they combine efforts there.
But now that one watujui. Wengine utapata hata wamerudi kwa Ruto tena.
Because I'm suspecting if they divide now, then they go to the runoff. Either, let's say Ruto is number 1, Kalonzo number 2, Matiangi number 3.
But still,
if they disagree now, will they agree for a runoff?
Now it will depend. Sasa
the best person, the best offer.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So in a nutshell, you mean they are not going to be together?
They are not going to be together.
And they are not together right now.
Let no one lie to you.
Oh God. So opposition, and there's a likelihood to do Ruto in the two-term.
Yes, because I want to tell you this. William Ruto has divided Mount Kenya successfully. The first ever politician to divide Mount Kenya successfully. You saw the other day this guy Geoffrey Ruku, huyu CS mwenye alichukua nafasi ya Justin Muturi. You saw the other day akisema sasa sisi Mount Kenya East tunataka kuachana na Mount Kenya West.
Yes.
Sindio?
That's a scenario that has come up.
Yes.
Very dangerous one.
Yes. Na hiyo ni script William Ruto amepanga. Mount Kenya West nyinyi wa Kikuyu backside yenu. Na sisi Mount Kenya East mumekuwa mkitudanganya tuko pamoja. Si ndio? So they are not united.
So you think Mount Kenya is divided now?
Mount Kenya is divided, and William Ruto is going to use this Jubilee Matiangi to divide now the Kikuyus.
So there will be DCP team,
yes,
Matiangi team,
yes,
and Mount Kenya East.
Yes.
So divided into 3 factions.
Yes, Mount Kenya.
And Ruto will win through that.
Kama pieces za nyama.
Who stands to lose if Mount Kenya divides?
Who stands to lose? Rigathi Gachagua.
Rigathi Gachagua will lose?
Big time.
On what basis?
He will not have many MPs. See, I've told you Jubilee will pick a few. A few governors, senators. Na yeye ako interested kupata magovernors, senators, MCS wako wakituma pesa kwa DC pia kwa na serikali yake ndogo.
Yeah, I feel this way. Yeah. If Mount Kenya divides, the small communities stand to lose.
But the small communities stand to lose.
Yeah.
Like now, which community?
Like now, for instance, the Gusii community. That's an example. Why am I saying so? Right now, the mood in Mount Kenya, it's that they don't want to present a presidential candidate.
Yes.
And they want to support someone. And the options are in opposition team.
Yes.
So far, we can tell. But then, if it happens that when the mood in Mount Kenya, it is supporting another community, and then they fail to come together and support that community, I don't think in 2032, the Mount Kenya people will still say, we are going to support somebody else. They'll present a candidate.
Yeah.
And if they present a candidate, these people entirely watarudi pamoja, and they don't care. And if they get to, so they get to power again. So the chances that they put, like now, if Matiangi gets elected today, he becomes a president in 2027.
Yeah.
They will see one will support.
Yeah.
If he does a good job, they'll give him 10 years.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
But if Matiangi is not elected, they'll present their own in 2027. Because it's a call like Matiangi alishindo. So if they bring their own, they'll unite behind. And I'm seeing the coalition of Kalenjin, Kikuyu and Western Kenya coming together.
Yeah.
Which means William Ruto's plan for 2032, itaanza kazi.
It's very possible.
So if opposition loses today, to unite, even to do anything successfully, William Ruto will be in charge even after 2032 through someone else if anything does not continue.
Yes.
See, that will be the case.
That is true.
So right now, if we want leadership at least to get to smaller communities, kila Mkenya piga magoti, Mount Kenya shikane.
Mimi, to me, personally, the division in Mount Kenya is a blessing in disguise.
How?
Yeah?
How?
Because there's some kind of entitlement these people have had when they are together. I want to tell you this. The division ya Mount Kenya East na West by 2032 hawatakuwa pamoja. Kwa nini nakwambia hivyo?
Mount Kenya East na West.
By 2032 you see Rigiji was impeached in was
2024.
It 2024? By 2032 you will not be eligible to run.
2032 bado.
Anafaa kumaliza miaka 10.
Yeah.
Sasa kuna mtu unasahau hapa anaitwa Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki. Mwenye pia Ruto amejenga sasa kutoka Mount Kenya sasa. Unaona? Yeye ni second in command.
Of course. And you know that is the guy people are underrating. Yeah. And he's not someone to underrate.
Amaoni. So ndio nataka kuambia Mount Kenya West. Itafika time wanasikia nyinyi mlibetray Mount Kenya East. Si ndio? Mkaenda na William Ruto when we did not want him. Na Wakikuyu watakuwa wanataka kutoa presidential candidate in 2032. When the Kikuyus will be having a candidate in 2032. So Abraham Kithure Kindiki atakuwa wapi?
Atakuwa nje.
Si yeye pia atasimama?
Atasimama.
Si sasa umeona baada hawaendi kuelewana?
But Mount Kenya West majority.
Majority.
They have proper numbers.
So, wako na numbers lakini ngapi bila watu wengine kwa support?
Of course it will be haitakuwa rahisi.
You know we have the Merus, the Embus na hawa Tharaka.
But now these are perception to make.
Yeah.
If it happens that Kindiki amesimama 2032, then itakuwa like we are gambling here in the sense that the Kikuyus might not support him. But what if they stand behind him?
If they stand behind him, then it will depend Western pia wako wapi, Wakalenjin wako wapi.
If they stands behind him, like now, it's very clear. Me, I'm telling you this. Yeah. William Ruto's game is working.
It's working, of course.
So long as the opposition stands division, so long as the Mount Kenya is divided, William Ruto's game is working. In that, Kindiki, akisimama 2032, William Ruto will take care of the Kalenjin community.
Yes.
So the running mate attack Western. Which other combination will beat that one? Hakuna.
Okay. Again, what if William Ruto supports someone from Western?
For presidency?
Yeah.
I feel he will not betray Kindiki. I feel he will not betray Kindiki. Why? If he betrays Kindiki, it will be difficult to divide Mount Kenya. Because right now, the key person of dividing Mount Kenya is Kindiki. Because of Mount Kenya East.
Yeah.
But if he gets out from Kindiki now, then now the entire Mount Kenya is back again together.
William Ruto is a master, bro. He created Rigathi. He destroyed him. He has created Kindiki, you don't know what you will do to him. Bwana, huyo jamaa, okay, succession yake lazima iwork vile ana plan. He has planned beyond 2027.
I was telling people, even if Raila was alive today, Raila's plan will not work against William Ruto.
Never.
William Ruto has Raila Amolo Odinga coming to William Ruto's side. It was Ruto's plan.
It was Ruto's plan. He had planned all the way, bro.
We agree on that.
48 laws of power. Law number 29.
Hakuna kuacha plan yake.
Yeah.
His plan is intact.
Plan all the way to the end. Huyu jamaa anatumia 48 laws of power.